In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides to a video in a simple and straightforward manner. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to Google Slides. This is your primary workspace and what we'll be using to create and convert your presentations. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into your Google account. Having your account ready is essential as it allows Google Slides to access your existing presentations or lets you create new ones. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides home. Here, you have the choice to start fresh with a blank presentation or select an existing template if you prefer pre-designed starting points. This can significantly speed up the process, especially if you're in a time crunch or seeking inspiration for layout ideas. When your presentation is set up, the next step is to convert it into a video format using extensions. Move your cursor to the top of the screen and click on Extensions. Now click on Add-ons. These additional tools are essentially plugins that give Google Slides extra capabilities that aren't available by default. Among the various add-ons available, we're specifically looking for one called Creator Studio. Click on Get Add-ons to open up the add-on store, and in the search bar type in Creator Studio. This add-on is fantastic for our purpose as it allows you to transform your slides into a video with just a few more clicks. Once you've found Creator Studio in the list, click on it. The add-on will provide you with options and features after you install it. To proceed, there's an install button. Click it to add Creator Studio to your extensions. Keep in mind that some add-ons may request certain permissions, so you'll need to review them and allow if you feel comfortable with sharing the requested access. With Creator Studio installed, you can now explore the various options it offers. You can set your own parameters for video quality and dimensions, adjust slide timing, and add audio tracks if needed. This flexibility gives you control over the final output, tailoring it to your specific needs, whether you're preparing a presentation for an educational purpose, business meeting, or just sharing with friends. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on converting your Google Slides presentation into a video, all done in a simple manner. This process can not only enhance the way you present your ideas, but also allows you to share them easily across various platforms. Give it a try and explore the potential it has in elevating your presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore more of the features available in Google Slides and other add-ons that can further enhance your projects. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.